This is the big part, or two pretty big parts. This is the main body, which structurally is in good shape. It's got some a lot of rust and stuff that's got to be taken care of and repainted. And the front fork, that is to say the rear fork, that has also got to be stripped and painted, and that's going to be painted a different color. But it's going to look a lot different. This is what the wheels look like. The old tires got tread on them, but they're 40 years old and they're rotten. All that damage there. I have one here that I cleaned up a little bit. I think I'm going to have those re-chromed. And not that they wouldn't work, but I don't know whether I can get them looking decent enough. White walls, hope to find those.